welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, and then this channel is going to be informative, talking about skincare, going to give you all the luxury skin you're looking for. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, my name is Peace Osilama and this is Lama's Lifestyle. Here I do reviews about skincare, so feel free to go around my channel and watch videos about skincare products, which one is good and which one is not. So today I'm going to be making like a signature lips. This signature lips, if you're here because of the title, TikTok signature lips, and if you're on my channel, if you've been watching my videos also, you see me with a particular lip color, and then you always ask me tutorials for these particular lips, and all those lips you see dark and pink and it looks natural. I'm going to be making a very realistic one right now in this video for you. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, click on the notification to turn on your notification, so whenever I upload videos you'll be the first to get notified. And also feel free to comment, and also feel free to order my face cream. You can order my face cream on this particular video under the comment section, or go to my Instagram at nastyking__. So today, for you to be able to do those, for you to be able to do the signature lip, you have to just have 4 items here. Of course 5 items here, it depends on the shade of lipstick you get. So the very vital thing here is an eye pencil. I'm actually using this eye pencil. You can use brown. I can't really find my MAC eye pencil, and if you really know me, you know I don't do makeup, but this signature lips is always on my lip, so use this. I actually found this black eye pencil. Then the second most vital stuff is your lip gloss. This is BB lip gloss, and this eye pencil I think is not expensive. It's not more than 150 naira. Then I'm using this lip shade, Goddess of Issa and Deuce. It's light pink. And I'm also using this particular one. I don't know, I've forgotten the name of this, and it has cleaned, but this is like a gloss but like a peach color. Then I'm using a red lipstick, and also this mirror. Diving right into this video, this is the red lipstick. This red lipstick is in 04. I actually have different red lipsticks, but I feel this one works better for my lips or my skin color. I do not really like red lipsticks, and I mix this particular 3 lipsticks. I already introduced them in the other video, because this is what I mix to get the lip shade that I want. And then the first thing you're going to do after having your lip gloss, your eye pencil, the 3 shades of lipstick, you also need your mirror. Mine is broken, but I'm still going to use it. So the first thing to do is to line your upper lip. So this is the eye pencil. Make sure you sharpen it, even if it's blunt or not. And please, I'm sweating. So when you do something like this, please try not to make it too dark. So I'm going to show you what you'll be doing after doing this. So you just spread it with your hands like this. I don't like situations whereby I see people with this lips signature, and I just see up here is very dark and down here is red. I do not like it, so irritating. So that's why I want to show you how I do mine. So you can make it a little bit dark, or you can reline your lips. This is me relining my lips, then taking from on top. After taking the black eye pencil and applying it on your lips, you just make sure that it is realistic. It is not really black. So that's why you need this part of your hand. You can use any part though. You spread the black around. So now this is where these 3 lipsticks, any shade of red, any shade of pink, and any shade of peach, comes in. So this is the red lipstick. Is old. I'm not really like a makeup person, but I can promise you I have more makeups than this, but this is the shade I love to use. So now I'm applying this particular red on my lower lip. You don't need to pull much. Putting this now, what we need again is the peach. So the peach, it's a gloss. Ooh. So what we need is this here. Then this Asa and Deuce, you just need a little bit. So this is going to work magic now. So you still need your finger to apply. If you have a brush, good for you. This is the final stage of applying this. Then what you have to do again, this is the end of you using your lipsticks. What you have to do again now is use your eye pencil. So these places that you've put the lipstick up, you don't need it. Just put a little bit of the black to cover it. You don't need to cover all of it. You still need it at the bottom, this place. So you just take a little. Like this, you're good. Then now this is time for you to line your underlip. Please, you don't need to make your eye pencil, you don't need to dig it in your lips, just little. Like, I'm not even really touching my lips. So like this, then you still spread it. This is not hard. Then you can remove the excesses. People actually use brush to remove the excesses, but I don't have that time, so I still use my hand to cut it out. So now I'm done with the down. You can still want to line the up, just the up part. So now this is how I do my signature lip. So right now you can actually leave it like this, but it doesn't really last. When it lasts and it pops is when you apply your lip gloss. You can use any lip gloss of your choice. This lip gloss is about 300 to 400 naira. So I'm going to be applying this lip gloss to make everything pop, and then you have your signature lip. So now you take your lip gloss and put it on the edge or the downside of your eye pencil, then you line the lip like this. Take another portion, line the lower lip. So now, using this, I am done doing my signature lip. So if you have your makeup and you want to do this lip, it should be the last thing you do. Fine, I'm not a makeup artist, but this is how I love my lips to be, whether I have makeup on or not. So this is, wow, this is how I actually do my signature lip. If you're a makeup artist, you don't really need to spend so much time doing this. This didn't take me more than 5 minutes. So let me come closer for you to see. And for people that are always asking me on my videos, I actually made this video for you and other people that will actually come here to look for a signature lip or a red and pink lip video. So please subscribe to my channel, and if you want more videos like this, you can also comment on my comment section. I'm really active on my channel. So thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.